iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country for only R3.50.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Soweto Derby, original Soweto Derby. Swallows versus Orlando Pirates. Swallows knocked out Pirates in the MTN 8 a few weeks ago. Rosé Khamaldin, 2 goals. And that was the end of Coach Joseph in power. And then Mamelodi Sundowns, Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs were knocked out by Sundowns on penalties in the MTN 8. This weekend, those teams, those fixtures are playing. On Saturday, Swallows Pirates. Sunday, Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Khanye, our analyst as always. Start with the original Soweto Derby. It's round 2 already. Mandla Ncikazi, Nofadlu Davids against Brendan Trute no Coach Simo Dlala.
Yeah, nkuleko maprara kunjani?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Ngibulise utrust, justice.
Yes sir.
Yeah, bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, we try to fix South Africa.
I need to get a haircut.
Yeah, man. Ish.
I don't know if I want to though.
Yeah, no, you do owe anybody explanation.
I don't know if I
Yeah,
want
but angithi manje for appearance.
But I always look at you and so you guys are always like, you're looking good, but I feel like I don't want
Mina
to.
ngumsiyoni mfethu, I need to
So you
shave.
have to share. I don't know if I want to.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
original Soweto Derby.
Yeah, ivar ukuthi siqale nge-technical team eSwallows. Very a good pairing. Ngikhuluma ngo-Semi Triton no Simo
Oh, Brendan Trute.
sorry.
Oh,
Brandon Triton.
Yeah.
Sorry bafethu.
Yeah,
Brandon Triton, Simo Dladla.
Yeah.
Very good combination with the same philosophy. They've signed quality, good players. I believe they should have done more. But the team yabo bengekho bad. It was a matter of inexperience last season. Maunga Cheka, they were scoring goal, but not scoring enough. But playing very impressed in terms of sharing the ball. That's how South African should play. Nayo isamari ngiyabala ilo Swallows ngibala kule ma team lawa ku top 5 yam in terms of equality the way badlala ngakhona. Yes, iDStv Premiership akusi standard nkuleko that is according to advertisement esidlala ngakhona mele ngabe siyasreacha mele ngabe like bemele sibe the same as advert, but njoba going to just kule game, truly speaking, it's good pairing. Also the good team, but is still an inexperienced in terms of forward. Phambili kule, I still believe they don't have a players responsible, who can take who can be responsible in terms of scoring goals. So yes, Kukren would sign up Keletso, but to remember Keletso bengadlala regularly. Good player. Make no mistake, upcoming, that is a very good player, but it's not enough. So going to Orlando Pirates, there's no leader. Shilona last time. They've got a couple of maninga ma playing at Takuda, abana coach. Yet abaga appoint, I don't understand why. We have been here to Guti Mandla Ncikazi is the head coach or what?
That's a good point.
You understand? So it tells you Guti gune problem. Balindin.
They're a big team. They need to decide.
They're supposed to be appointed before the preseason ikala so that the coach decide to sign abanyambisa bana ngoba bana ama player but bekumele ba add quality phezulu ama player bana ngoba somehow they lack ama department. Yeah, kuna ama player we buying ngibona kwamanye ama position iPirates na ama player but bekumele ba add quality about 4 or 5 players. Also appoint a coach early before preseason so that coach can sign players azokwazi ukufitha kule team. Add the structure sakhe kusho ukuthi i-team ibe more structured. You understand philosophy as well. So yeah, abe 11 kula ma friendly games nange black label. So nkululeko all in all Pirates I'm not kule game. I see me draw or yeah Pirates can experience individual. Obviously Swallows iphindi phelele. Same thing ngiyayibona lebenzela last season. Ngisayibona ku Swallows ngoba mangicheka kule ma game labo badlala. Nkuleke reality ukuthi iPirates iSwallows idlile iPirates kule game, but if you could check iPirates some could score nama goal bebangekho convincing, but iyaphelele iSwallows incedile this thing ukuthi mhlambo uTriton he was with the team last season and he understand his players, but truly speaking bekungasi convince iSwallows that win.
Umbonile I'm so sorry oforum bonile phansi wathisa eGhana kubafana against iSwallows. He was the one who made a mistake. Rosé Khamaldin were cheaper over a scorer. If he's going to be the goalkeeper again tomorrow, we might see something again.
Angithi ngithe mangithi kule video le Swallows ngithi ze kuma goalkeeper west abayifukwes 5
We're not telling you what's goalkeeper in the league.
Really?
Not in the league.
Boma 4-5 weeks back ubamba isithombe athatha profile pic bashayinet.
So number 16 kuba bongo goalkeeper. So number 16 kuba bongo goalkeeper is the weakest.
Unike chance ku top 3 yami.
Sure.
Angeke ushaye World Cup qualifiers by 2. Mbonile amaplanda. No, international. So Orlando Pirates mamela nkule. For they supposed to sign a young goalkeeper Orlando Pirates that le ntwana le Platinum Stars even Sundowns bamlande lo mfana lo bangamdlalisi ku Sundowns. Ngikhuluma ngale mfana yeah. Nandi kakhulu. Yo Pirates if can get that boy even him or ungizwe kahle nkuleko lo mfana odlala Platinum Stars goalkeeper angazi ukuthi owen wangamsebenzisa left footed the one bekasebenzisa u10.
Yes.
Nandi kakhulu lo mfana underrated but look at the quality distribution handling abo for bashay handling what is an international goalkeeper so nkululeki VAR kule game ngibona draw or individually it can win for Pirates ngoba aba player banawo that they can abanga raise isandla iVAR
that's Orlando Pirates versus Swallows Football Club. It's exciting. We're coming back from an international break and we're getting 2 exciting matches. Now then, moving on to another exciting match on Sunday, Kaizer Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns. I think for the first time this season we saw a Sundowns that looks like the Sundowns that we would like to see. That looks like the Sundowns that could give them a best chance of going to a semi-final CAF. Xakuko Mkhulise, Ojali, Sereno or Erasmus. It looked like the Sundowns we think could go at least kuma semi-finals at CAF at the very least. What do you expect on Sunday?
Yeah, asiyekeni CAF nguleki CAF not now ungibuza isikhathi masiya nge-Sundowns. Truly speaking, starting a technical team yabo they must sort themselves out ngoba ngibonile badlala ne-Chiefs Kaizer Chiefs first not convincing nge-line up benza i-favoring too much favors they are the one who push umvala la khona now i-reality ukuthi bambize ku-national team osimela even World Cup qualifiers whereby they've got players that Mvala can't put them on the bench i-reality and the effect ukuthi ngishilo na last time ukuthi ama-decision making wabo yiba zobaletha down mabangayeka ama-favor those are good coaches nyamhlonipha uManqoba mina ngimbonile ku Golden Arrows uManqoba team yakhe bedlala kanjani he has learned a lot from Pitts I'm sure a similar philosophy with Pitts naye ku Sundowns has learned a lot as a coach as well a very experienced coach but why favors izoyenza ukuthi singasamhloniphi ngoba ibhola yalazi iVAR also going to Rulani Mkwena is hard working coach hard worker I like passion yakhe but Rulani mele ba understand they need to banama coaches babonisana if omunye phambuka ofrem bakungaka mayele ofrem they must tell each other with sayilahla another go Steve Kompela respect him very good coach as well but ama favors abakhawata so kule game yokuqala le badla Kaizer Chiefs they were not bakora 2 goals because of lack of quality Kaizer Chiefs had to score and by my penalty is situation create ama coaches so going to kule game le ngibonile le batrowile ngeGolden Arrows first leg le semi final ngeMTN 8 convince yes omunye umuntu beku Sundowns iweda bengayifuni but look at the movie but ubheke lapha bebabhaza kanjani i-team yabo like kuleko they know strength each other putting uJali there putting urival bamthanda but well uJali will make it for an I don't understand mabuye mhlambi isibhithi njani faka umkhulisi
the injury long term
understand kunomkhulisi kunoJali yangane urival ungamfaka ukuthi abamakhele yes but also tanglish him also kulabantu abayi3 ngibonile ulibusa ngekho but mfana uDerek nolo understand uGrankakani uyava cause I'm suit that team nasementa I don't know what's going on le team beyidlala ngeRose convince yeah uGrankakani I1 ngoba understanding uyayibona then in terms of ukuthi but top notch team yabo I'm sure mina ungizwe kahle mina I'm not gonna go around the bush Sundowns a chance watching Kaizer Chiefs and Arrows really they've signed quality players Chiefs singaqambi nama ngicela abantu bangizwe kahle banama player abawasayinile I don't believe Kaizer Chiefs and Pirates should sign players mele ba yes believe good mina if they can put strong development structure and then if first team in is simple ukuthi bayifeed and then they can buy basho batsine summary so but bebamele bathenge manje ukuthi mhlambe lama player bawasayinayo they must babambe or sign a good coach as well so coaching game Baroka how can you score against Baroka ngimbonile nge-black label ama-sub wakhe mina ngikuleko simple I know the coach ngimbonile namanje yasiprove Baroka FNB you scored the goals too Baroka must come back they were fortunate ukuthi ngakori Baroka yes ama-player still ukhama individual talent irely kukhama irely kukhike ntoli yes is not fit to kick nelazi ibhola make no mistake those two if they can be fit i-coach understand ikwazi combine especially in the middle baba fit izo but i-coach ishawa yini one i-selection yayo makulimala angeke lo mfana ngathola ama-booking khuluma ngalo mfana Alexander Cole because it does too much in the middle i-position i-distance I-cover too much nange uyaphelelwa good player but yaphelelwa I still believe mina unange for Chiefs yes abantu bamfrustana but nento engizibonayo i-backup lentwana incoba kayidlalisa i-coach buleli confident if you're gonna play him now ngoba unama-surprises izomnikana so kulabantu abayi-3 laba front akakwazi ukuhlanganisa i-combination play ngizama ukusho kanjalo even on the bench yakhe selection mangikhuluma nge-selection how can ufake u-Agay as i-backup yalo mfana lo uCole Alexander so it's truly amazing unama-player nkululeko ngisayiphinda akakwazi ukuhlanganisa i-combination and uyathuka how can you rely in penalties ikutshelana ukuthi asiko 2 ne-Sundowns ngine-chance and then mele ngivale ilo manje ngegame le Baroka ufaka uDube as a sub very disappointing sub uDube against Baroka ufaka uDube as a sub center back unnecessary you leading 2-0 so i-challenge into ukuthi playing Sundowns awuzoma Kaizer fact we rely ku transition une style of play o1 and now mama check on the Chiefs Galaxy they were to wait for him cut the supplier, pushed front 3, and then they wait for him. Good any ball with 2 goalkeepers away. So it's easy good to Sundowns make sure they surprise.
All right. What do you expect on Sunday?
Yeah, Sundowns will win the game. Sundowns will win the game, my brother. Yeah, Sundowns gonna win.
I don't believe it.
By the pounds. Abang believe South Africa for million times. Yeah, my mistake wenzile. Ngangithi uKristo decider. Yeah, mara mamela ngukutshela isipiri. iDiskiTV isprove kakhulu ngama prediction the god of Mount Zion and our ancestors
uthena uGod engabi neChiefs uGod makabe neChiefs
uGod ukunceda mangabe do the right things man God helps you if you does the right bana ama player nkuleko yabona ngokeVAR dama signing bewenza yo nkuleko it's only nje mhlambe they should have get Mbule for a supplier labantu abayi Mbule for a supplier but the coach wenza amaplanda uzoba Costa nale league le bebanga compete labantu ngala ama player abaphethe bese balungisa structure se development but the coach wenza izinto ezwrong kule umbheka utatazela uthuka kanjani how can you play Sam Nkovic is giving nothing week in and week out ucancela yonke imove yakhe nama Sunday target man yakhe Sundowns very easy to mark you uzoma the best way ukuthi bakumark keeping the ball circulate surprise go
right, there you go weekend no one knows what happens this weekend that's why we're not millionaires because babe siyazi bakwenzeka ntoni ngeweekend besobheja besedlana a lot of what and win the lottery but anyways enjoy the matches we couldn't have started in a better way from international break it's an original Soweto derby and then Sundowns versus Chiefs those are big games enjoy this weekend thank you very much for watching us